Hello friends, and welcome back to Miss Jessica's Art Club. My name is Miss Jessica, and today we will be creating cloud dough. This project is really fun and really messy. So get yourself a nice clean flat surface. You can use any kind of container, a pan, a tinfoil pan, to keep our dough contained. I did it right on my desk because I didn't mind having the cleanup afterwards. So let's get into it. These are our ingredients today: regular food coloring, shaving cream of any kind, and cornstarch. So this is a very messy project. Please be advised of that before we start. I made a mess, and making messes is fun. So here I am getting started with 2/3 cup cornstarch. And I'm kind of leveling that off and patting it down a little. You don't want it too packed, but just empty that onto your surface. You can use any kind of container, glass container, tin foil. We're going to do equal parts cornstarch to shaving cream. I did not measure the shaving cream, but I kind of just eyeballed the size. And you will find that once you start mixing, you can add more cornstarch or more shaving cream if you need it. So we're getting right in there, mixing it with our hands. If you're doing this in a bowl, you could absolutely use a spatula. This did, however, make my hands nice and soft, so that's a plus. You really have to trust the process here, because at this point I was really questioning my life choices. But you can see it start to form. You want to grab all of that excess off of the back of your hands, off of your surface, and really knead it all up in there. It's like kneading bread dough. So it's more fun to use your hands for this project because it is so tactile and sensorial. We're really starting to get some good clumps here. So I am going to add some food coloring. Regular food coloring works great. However, the gel food coloring might not work as well. So just a few drops of blue and a few drops of red to hopefully get some purple color. I try to enclose that in there, but your hands will absolutely be stained from the food coloring, and that's okay. Making a mess and having messy hands is all fun and part of the process. So here it is actually starting to really look like Play-Doh, and I was getting excited. The more I was working it, the more the colors blended, and it was really starting to firm up, which was great. This is not a good clay for building of any kind. This is more so like a sensory project that you're not creating something in the end. You're not getting a product in the end. It's just about experiencing two materials come together to make another. So art is about that sometimes. It's about just the process and not the end result. So here's a nice close-up. It was amazing at this stage. I did notice after a while it dried out. It's just kind of the more you play with it, the more it will dry out. If you keep it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag, that will be great and it will keep for a couple days. But here's that nice spread on it. Ooh, she was beautifully soft and fun to really work with for a couple hours. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun getting messy and creating this awesome cloud dough. I enjoyed it and I hope you did too. Let me know in the comments what color you made your dough. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you love Miss Jessica's Art Club. Bye, everybody. See you next time.